Hi everyone, in this video we are going to learn how to use calculator for ungrouped data. In this video we are going to find mean, variance and standard deviation for ungrouped data. I'm going to use calculator FX 570991EX emulator. Now we look at example. Here we are given ungrouped data. So we are going to insert the data, press menu, we are going to choose number 6 and then choose number 1. Then we are going to insert the data, 5, enter, 10, enter, 20, enter, 22, enter, 22, enter, 24, enter, 26, enter, 27, enter, 28, enter, 30, enter, 40, enter, and 45, enter. And then we are going to press button on. Next, we are going to press option, button option, and we are going to choose number 2, one variable calculator. We press number 2. And then here we have the mean, summation of x, summation of x squared. So for our working in this matriculation, we are going to use, let's say we want to find the mean. First we do the x bar equals to summation of x divided by n. So we are going to calculate summation of x is 299 divided by n, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So our mean should be 24.92. So this one for working to find mean. Number 2, we are going to find variance. First thing first, we put the formula 1 over n minus 1 summation of x squared minus summation of x squared divided by n. And then substitute the value 1 over 12 minus 1. Summation of x squared will be 8783. 8783 minus summation of x is 299 square divided by 12. And then our variance, we are going to take the value here, s square x. So this one is variance of the sample, 121.174. And last but not least, we are going to find the standard deviation. Number 3, standard deviation will be s. We are going to calculate square root of 121.174. 121 11.17, and then our answer will be 11.008. So that's all. Thank you. Bye bye.